My coral earrings are ready. As you can see, they are nice from the back side as well, and they came in very bright nice color. As you can see, technique is not so difficult, but the result is just amazing. You can create different shiny and bright collections for summer, for winter, for autumn, and you can make them long or short, gold and silver, yellow as well, some pale colors. So as you can see, there is a lot of different variations for you to create amazing earrings. I really hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will be able to create your own earrings. Please share with me your creations because your feedback is very important to me, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find me on my private channel, which I created for my closest followers, where I'm in touch with you as well. So if you are interested to be in touch more, you can join my Telegram group. I will leave links in the PDF file where you have materials, so we can keep in touch. Thank you one more time and have a lovely day. See you in my next tutorials.